room tour first before I did an intro. So I look all wet right now. Sorry. I am soaking wet. So my intro is, I'm here at the Yacht Club. Okay, look at the village. Here comes the train. Here's the train. That's bigger than our train. No. Well, we parked at the train. But look at how pretty this is. There it goes. Bye-bye. This is gorgeous. I'll have to show you guys mine when I get home. Look at how beautiful. It's got boats on it. And I'm sure we'll find a hidden Mickey somewhere in there. I'm just not sure where. But I bet you there's a hidden Mickey here somewhere. Over at the beach club, they had a carousel, a gingerbread carousel. Look it. I just noticed the shell there. Okay. The binoculars. But look at that boat. Mind you, the ones down there at Disney Springs. Look at the beautiful orchids. And these are real, folks. So real. So pretty. Mine do not grow that big. Okay, here we are in 1147 at the Yacht Club. When you first come in, you got the Keurig. It's Joffrey's coffee. They've got tea back there. Oh my, oh, two cute shelves. I like these floating shelves. This must be the refrigerator. It is. And it's a see-through refrigerator. I guess you don't have to open it up to see what's in there. Look at this nice closet. Oh, my ears. My lights came on again. Okay, look at this. Okay, and then of course you have the safe you can use. A hair dryer, an iron. There's the ironing board. And look at it, it pulls out. And boom, look at that. That's called nice and easy. And then when we come in the door, the other way is the bathroom. And look at, it's a pocket door. Now this is a handicap accessible room that I am looking at. That closed nicely by itself. Oh, there's a button.
I don't know why it's not working though.
Because I probably pulled it. Okay. There's a button, you push it, and it will open it. It's not working though, but that's okay. Nice big area here for the handicap, for wheelchairs to get into. The toilet's at a nice level. You've got the bars surrounding it. Oh, it's the extra toilet paper. How fancy, man. And then of course, oh, here they still give you the soaps and the conditioners. And you got the makeup mirror. And then you got my mirror. Hi. So, because it's handicap accessible, there's a bigger thing. But look at this shower. Let me see if I can turn the light on in there. Here we go. You walk right in. It's got a bench to sit down. Look at the two nozzles. Man, this could be one nice bath. The soap bath, sea salt. Ooh, look at that. It's got the bars. And it does have the clothesline in there, and it's at a lower area. So this bathroom is nice. It's huge. Okay, then when you come out of the bathroom, look at this nice big room. Wait a minute, what is this? Oh my gosh, look at that.
The beds aren't usually this low. It's just because it's a handicap accessible.
Because it's a handicap accessible, the bed is lower, so you cannot put, well, you might be able to put some stuff underneath there, but not like a suitcase, that's for sure. That's probably why, oh no, you can't even put nothing underneath there. It's blocked, it's a platform bed. But look at this, they made a Christmas tree. And of course you get all kinds of little postcards. when you come here, they give you a little letter saying who they are. If you have any problems, call. But the Christmas tree is cute. But look at that nice headboard. The wallpaper, the crown molding. I've got tongue twisted there. Look at that. Gorgeous. And the curtains, they look like they would. Oh, they're stars. Now, okay, now that is cool. But look at this patio, okay?
You gotta turn the little handle on the bottom.
Okay, hold on, folks. Okay, you had to use two hands for that one. But because it's floor level, look at the pool. Look at the view. Oh. And this nice big patio. But look at the view. There's one lucky girl staying here this Christmas. Look at this. And it's not me, folks. You get a couch and it pulls out, I bet, yeah.
I think so.
Yep, I think it does. And then, of course, these are her babies here.
And he approves.
And Obi likes them. He approves. Look at the table. You got two. I mean, it's just like, cool. Oh, wait a minute. This pulls out. So you can take it over to the chair and have a table. Obi, what do you think of the floors in here? You're sliding all around, aren't you? Hi, Bubbers. And then let's check out the dresser here. This is nice. For your convenience, extra pillows and blankets have been placed in this TV cabinet. Look at that. And then, of course, you've got the drawers, 3 small ones. Lots of storage here. That's where you can put your suitcase. We do have USB plugs here and here.
They're everywhere.
On the desk, I see, but here, take a look at this mirror. Isn't that pretty? And then the lamp. You can do it. Oh, isn't that cute? So, yeah. And then they give you a chair. Obi's all excited because he's playing in the room. We're going to get kicked out of here, Obi. We're going to get kicked out of here. But this is a handicap accessible room at the Yacht Club, folks. You got to know somebody special just to come here to see this. So I really want to thank you, Chris, for allowing me to come in to your room and check it out. Obi approves of it, and you know, he was greeted tons of times when we came in, so he's not staying here either. Sorry, he's got to go home with Mommy. I know Chris would probably like to keep him, but no. Sorry, that's my boy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this room tour and check it out. And if you're ever here on vacation and you want me to come to your room and do a room tour, I'll be more than happy to do that, just so everybody can see what the rooms look like. So look me up if you're coming, any of them. Polynesian would be a nice one. I would love to see a room in there. So hint, hint, Polynesian people. Hi, call me. All right, bye. All right, guys, so that was my video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to do as my Sophie says. She's coming up next. Bye.
Subscribe, like, and hit that bell. Ring.
And come back and see Yammy some more.
Yeah.
Yeah.